Good day, everyone. I present to you my competency-based training workshop layout for housekeeping and C3. This workshop layout is arranged to show both the learning and practical side of training. When you enter, the support service area and the office are placed near the entrance to provide assistance and handle records and documents. On the left side, there's the computer laboratory and the learning resources area, where students can do research and access references. At the center, I place the contextual learning area for lectures and discussion, and beside it is the distance learning area for multimedia or online-based learning. Near this area, I also added the equipment area to store cleaning tools and uniforms. Plus, the room where students can practice bed making and room setups. There is also a staff area for trainers and accessors, a quality control area to check the quality of work, and a trainer's resources area for trainers to prepare materials. All located near the exit for easier monitoring and evaluation. On the right side of the layout is the practical work area, which highlights the core competencies like supervising room cleaning, housekeeping service to guests, and implementing loose and found procedures while supervising laundry. The laundry area is also placed here with washing machine and ironing facilities for practice. At the bottom right, I include the restroom for hygiene and sanitation training, and beside is the waste segregation area to promote proper waste management. Safety provision, like the fire extinguisher and first aid kit, are placed in the middle part so they are also accessible to everyone. This workshop layout for housekeeping and C3 show competency-based training because it's combined theory and practice in a step-by-step flow. The learning areas are in front for lectures, while the room, laundry, and practical work areas are grouped together to simulate real operation. Safety provision are placed at the center for easy access, and the staff trainer and quality control areas are near the exit for supervision and assessment. Each core competency is also represented in the station like room cleaning, guest service, laundry, and safety, making the whole setup align with real housekeeping standards. That's all. Thank you.